Hello you guys. So today I'm going to make another video related to the phrase. So how to say I want in Khmer language. So we say Knyom Chang. But when you say Knyom Chang alone, it sounds kind of rude in Khmer culture. You need to add ban in the phrase. For example, like you say, I want these three. In Khmer, we say, ខ្ញុំចង់បានដើមឈើនេះ 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 So I want these three. I want these three. In Khmer, ខ្ញុំចង់ you need to add បាន ខ្ញុំចង់បានដើមឈើនេះ so if you just say ខ្ញុំចង់ដើមឈើនេះ it sound kind of rude so you need to add បាន in it like ខ្ញុំចង់បានអាវនេះ ខ្ញុំចង់បានវ៉ែនតានេះ ខ្ញុំចង់បាននាឡិកានេះ ខ្ញុំចង់បានចិញ្ចៀននេះ ខ្ញុំចង់បានចិញ្ចៀននេះ ខ្ញុំចង់បានដើមឈើនោះ Okay, that's how you say it. You need to add ban in it. If you just say ខ្ញុំចង់ alone, I say it again. ខ្ញុំចង់បានចិញ្ចៀននេះ or you just say ខ្ញុំចង់ចិញ្ចៀននេះ it sound rude, So you need to add ban in it. Like in English they say I want you. That's how it's mean in Khmer if you just say ខ្ញុំចង់ alone. So make sure you need to add ban in it. So you say ខ្ញុំចង់បានដើមឈើនេះ ខ្ញុំចង់បានតុនេះ ខ្ញុំចង់បានខ្នើយនេះ Yeah. So that's how you say it.